ready, man?
Party people in the place to be. It's about that time for us to. Yeah.
Hello, people of my YouTube channel, and I just want to introduce you to my friends, Raekwon, Keishara.
You said it right.
All right, today we're gonna be eating crickets and chocolate-covered mealworms, and these are. Okay, so which one do you want to try first?
I mean, these sour cream, they look right promising.
You want to try sour cream? All right, so we're gonna open up the sour cream and onion cricket.
Oh, they look
Okay, so they came off this little packet. Okay,
The season's at the bottom.
so I'm gonna let you guys choose which one you want. Be brave, Keishara.
I don't want to die, but like,
Just grab one.
You know what? This one looks promising. It's a big one. It's looking back at me.
Come on, you got it.
I can't. Okay.
All right.
I'm not really about to eat a cricket.
So it doesn't really smell like anything yet. All right, you ready?
Do I got to get both pieces in there? Cause, like,
Doesn't
I gotta
matter.
ask.
Just chew it. Ready? 1, 2,
2.5.
2.5,
Two
2,
and a,
3 quarters.
12 seconds later.
Go.
What is that?
They taste like what's those things called? Sunflower seeds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're nasty, but they taste like sunflower.
It tastes like the actual shell of the
Yeah.
sunflower seed.
I don't know what y'all tasting.
That's all right. Not too bad.
It's not nasty. It's just not.
It's
good
not.
at
It's
all.
not something I would eat
Yeah.
on a regular basis.
y'all ate yours.
It's not nasty though. He spit his out. So that's strike one for Raekwon.
Why you gonna zoom in on it?
I mean,
It's fine. I can kind of taste the sour cream now.
I guess.
Like the longer.
Oh yeah. you
the
can
aftertaste.
Yeah.
So you don't taste it as soon as you bite it. It's an aftertaste effect. So now we're going to do the salt and vinegar, then the bacon and cheese. One, 2, 3. Again, it tastes like sunflower seed shell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like the sunflower seed shell.
That one tastes like more like sour cream and onion to me.
Mm-hmm.
It
Yeah.
doesn't even taste salty at all.
Yeah. It's fine.
no comment.
Did you spit it out again? Or you ate it? You just swallow it. Swallow. Swallow! All right. Bacon and cheese. We're almost through, you guys. This is not...
Why are they whole?
I don't know. These are bigger.
Yeah.
Look at these. Compared to these little crunched up ones. All right, guys.
Oh,
All right, so this is bacon and cheese. You ready? Are you ready? Three, 2, 1.
Ew.
That's nasty.
It was so whole. The other ones were like crumbs, but you can actually taste the
Okay, that's
cricket.
gross.
Yeah.
That one was gross.
You didn't spit it out?
I swear swallowed it whole.
That's gross. Alright, so which one was the best out of all of these?
Neither.
You don't count.
This one.
Sour cream? I'm going with salt and vinegar. It didn't taste like salt and vinegar, but
I know that didn't taste like anything, so I'm choosing that one.
okay.
I have a leg.
So now for dessert. Mealworms.
Do they have legs?
Mealworms don't have legs.
It looks like it has legs.
Pick one. White chocolate or just a regular?
It's got legs, bro. I'm not.
White chocolate?
This has legs. This has,
Oh, you can see it.
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
this has legs.
Alright. I guess I'm gonna try the chocolate.
I'm never ready for this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
At least it tastes like chocolate.
Sure about that?
What's the texture thing? All I taste is chocolate, but I feel something else.
Yeah.
You taste chocolate, but you feel something completely different.
You know what this kind of tastes like at first?
What?
You know, a Crunch Bar. It kind of tasted like one, and then it just.
Well, there you have it, you guys.
There's no
In your Crunch Bar, you may have mealworms.
Ew.
Okay,
I'm done. You
yeah.
gotta try the white chocolate.
White chocolate, and you get to try the chocolate.
I have a
You
leg
have a
on that.
long chocolate one.
Okay then.
Oh my God, you can see the. Look at this. You can see the worm. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tastes just like white chocolate, but it feels like something else. Are you done? Okay. Well,
I hate it. I hate it with all of my being. It doesn't. Yeah, it's like the Crunch Bar, but it doesn't have any like crunch to it. It's just like this soft shell of something. It's disgusting.
so yeah, these to me they just taste like chocolate, but it felt like something different, just a different texture.
I have legs.
If you ever do this, do not eat this. This is gross. Do you all agree?
all of
This
it's
is the
gross.
grossest.
All of it's gross. Throw this all away.
I'll actually have this for a little snack.
That's good. I see you eating them in your car.
I will.
I'm gonna throw them
You
out.
want this one?
No, I don't want any of them.
I'm probably gonna do the same thing. Ooh, it's out! Oh my God! I thought it was in the bag.
Is it alive? No, it's dead.
It's definitely dead, but Jesus Christ is staring at me. Okay. Yeah, let's put this back into the bag. And you are cultured. But yeah, that's it. More videos to come this week.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
I'll call it Eating Bowl Challenge. It was. I appreciate my friends coming to help me. It was great. See you guys next video. Shout out to my recorder, Dewey, Lakin. Love you, man.
And I'm still the same, and I swear I'm never switching. Knowing all of this shit just don't make a difference. I'm just talking shit to the ones that listen. I came with the heat, man, I swear I'm never missing. And I'm still the same, and I swear I'm never